pon esa rola. Y yo le dije, ¿cuál, güey? ¿Cuál? Y digo, la que dice...
Explosive, West Coast shit, my niggerish ways to track. Girls that used to turn they back, causing me to yank they arm and pose like I would do them all. Now I'm saying thank you cause they tell me my shit's the bomb. Explosive, for my niggas drinking cognac, smoking weed, always pack more than one firearm, chrome rims, rhino, chronic in your system, let me